Instantly transferring money from Paysafecard to Skrill is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Obtain a Paysafecard voucher with the desired amount from a participating retailer. Then log in to your Skrill account. Now, click on the Deposit tab and select Paysafecard as your payment method. Input the 16-digit PIN code from your Paysafecard voucher. Review the amount and fees. Then click Confirm to complete the deposit. If you haven't already, link your bank account to your Skrill account. Navigate to the Withdraw section of your Skrill account. Now choose your linked bank account as the withdrawal destination. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw. After that, review the details and fees. Then click on Confirm to proceed with the withdrawal. If you prefer to avoid bank transfers, research reliable exchange services that facilitate Paysafecard to Skrill transactions. Now follow the specific instructions provided by the chosen exchange service to complete the transfer.